How to recover deleted Telegram account. So first of all, open up your Telegram. Now tap on start messaging. Now enter the number you deleted your account of. Now tap on the arrow icon. Now enter your email and tap on continue. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.